Welcome to our podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we discuss the mystery of a signal from the early universe, a powerful radio burst that traveled 10 billion years to reach Earth. The South African MeerKAT observatory recorded a radio signal from space, or a fast radio burst, or FRB. It was super short, but equally intriguing. Scientists say that this FRB traveled a whopping 10 billion years to reach us, way before our Sun and Earth were born. The discovery was announced in a paper published on the RSIV preprint server after being first presented at the FRB 2025 conference in Montreal, Canada. Researchers said that the radio burst originated from a dwarf galaxy undergoing a strong burst of star formation. However, a likely candidate wasn't discovered initially, and it was only revealed after numerous analyses. When FRBs travel from deep space, crossing intergalactic matter, the waves slow down slightly. For longer wavelengths, this process is even stronger. This is what gave away the age of the radio signal spotted by the South African Observatory. Since its dispersion measure was unusually large, it hinted that the signal had traveled from an extremely distant point in space. Scientists turned to the Keck telescope on Mauna Kea, Hawaii, and the MMT Observatory in Arizona to understand where the signal came from. Both instruments failed to detect a host galaxy. When they did not succeed, the James Webb Space Telescope was brought into play and proved a game-changer. Its near-infrared camera picked up a 28th magnitude faint light at the burst's location. This was found to be a dwarf galaxy where young stars were being constantly born. The researchers then needed to understand the age of the radio wave. For this, they needed to measure how much the galaxy's light waves were stretched by cosmic expansion while traveling towards Earth. A team led by Manisha Caleb, University of Sydney, used Webb's NIR-SPEC spectrograph to observe this phenomenon and found that the radio signal originated when the universe was only around 3 billion years old. The team also believes that their observation can help solve the mystery of magnetars that are believed to release these radio bursts. Magnetars are reportedly strongly magnetized neutron stars and could either form right after a star dies or when two neutron stars merge. Caleb's paper states that the merger is common in older galaxies. However, the radio wave studied by her team originated from a young galaxy, which means the magnetar in this case formed right after a stellar explosion. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.